Oh man, we have the Nitro Stampede and it has seen better days. We are going to revive this thing and it will run again. So in this video, we're just gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna break this down into 3 different sections and do a video for each section. We have the front section, then the chassis section, and then the rear. So we're gonna start with the front section. We're gonna tear it down, clean it up, and then I got all kinds of screws and other things to put onto this front section. I got turnbuckles, I have a set of Atomic RC shocks, which are full aluminum, so I'm gonna upgrade to those. I think the first thing we need to do is clean up this body. I like using WD-40, breaks up the dirt pretty good. Guess I could just use soap and water. While I'm cleaning this up, I'll give you a little backstory on this truck. And that is, I bought this truck for my son when he was like 7 or 8 years old, because I wanted to get him into the hobby, and he loved this truck when it was running. So we had fun with it. He didn't really take to the hobby like I thought he would, but he still had fun with it. So one day he was working down in the basement. He decided to start tearing this truck apart. He starts tearing parts off and I don't know where he put them. So that's why it's missing so many parts, because they ended up somewhere and I don't know where. So that's why it is the way it is. Also, from it sitting in the corner down here in the basement, the one day we got some real heavy rain, the basement flooded, and that's why everything is so muddy. So it covered everything in mud, and now we have to clean all that mud off. But the reason why I want to rebuild this is because the truck kind of has some sentimental value to me. It was the first truck that I got my son, and I'd like to keep it around. It's just a good keepsake or memory, but it's cleaning up pretty nice. The body is starting to look pretty good. We just have this back part here. I'm gonna take a couple minutes to finish cleaning this up, and we're gonna start tearing into this, get this cleaned up as well. So there we go, much better, much better. Everything taken apart now on the front end. We're gonna try and salvage whatever we can, just because I'm trying to keep this as low budget as possible. Let's clean up these parts. So spray everything down real good. There's 2 reasons why I'm using WD-40. One, it cuts through the dirt pretty good, and also it's good to soak your plastic in WD-40 for the winter months. And it is winter here. So what it does is it actually softens your plastic and makes it a little more durable when you're out running in the cold. So we'll let the WD soak in, then we'll wipe everything off. All right, so there we have everything that we are gonna save. Gonna put it all back together. And then I also have a few screws that I did not order ahead of time until
Just now when I took this apart, I noticed that I needed more screws because they're either stripped or I stripped them trying to take them out. So those are on the way. As soon as those parts get here, then we can put this back together, and that'll be in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and thanks for watching this rebuild of the Nitro Stampede.